Alright, so I have no plan today. Been talking to some people online, trying to make some friends. So maybe I'll meet up with somebody. But for right now, I'm just gonna head out, get a coffee, and see where I end up. This looks good. Alright, it's almost lunchtime, and this local recommended to me this Indonesian dish called Babi Guling. It's like a roasted pig. So I'm gonna head over to the area he told me to go to see if they've got some Babi Guling over there. Art market. So what I'm gathering is it's basically a souvenir shop. Well, I found it, but their cousin died, so they're not open. Alright, I found a second Babi Guling place. I'm walking there. It's like half a mile. The sun's blazing. I'm melting. We'll see if I can hold out long enough to find Babi Guling without stopping somewhere or taking a grab or something. Oh wow, that's pretty. I found a place. It's full of locals, so it's very authentic. Alright, they brought me this soup stuff, and then I've got this sour soft soda. Oh, this looks awesome. So I've got some satay, some chicharron. This is the pig skin. There's some pig under here with some sauce. I think something fried, I don't know. Some peppers, some rice. So I'm gonna mix it all together. Wow, there's so many pork products on this plate. So they got this sausage, which is quite lovely. The pork satay is really nice, and then this spicy slow roasted white meat. This plate is awesome. This is really cool. I enjoy it. So the skin is super crispy and it's got a layer of fat underneath, so it's really nice. This skin is even more crispy. It's a little too crispy for my liking. These are some fried innards, I think. They've got a lot of fat in them, so they're really nice. And these chicharrones are good. The sausage was awesome. The rice with the pepper is super spicy. I love spicy. So the meat, the soft white meat is just gone. Yeah, this is an awesome place. Definitely come here. The temples here are so beautiful. It says do not enter for worship only, which is totally understandable. I am not Hindu, I am Buddhist, so I will sit and appreciate from a distance. It looks like there's some kind of story in these carvings. When you start going down the side streets, you really see the effects that the pandemic had. I was asking my taxi driver what the Indonesian people here in Bali think about the tourism and the digital nomads that come here, and he was telling me that their entire economy is really built on tourism here. So, you know, they love that people come here long-term to work and spend their money and don't take any jobs from the local people. But during the pandemic, they saw such a drop in people that many businesses went out of business. So if you get off the main road, you can really see like different places that have closed down, which is a bummer. But tourism's alive and well here now, so hopefully we'll see some of those come back or some new things pop up. Hey there. So one gentleman was telling me that every house has its own temple. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if that's 100% true, but certainly there are a lot of them. The maps are super wrong. I just ended up in someone's backyard. Oops. This doggy's got a hurt leg. Man, the dogs here be real messed up. I think this street connects. Fingers crossed. Look at that temple up there. Wow! It's all gold. I love it. That was that lady's house. It's so pretty. What the heck? She was very nice. I found the exit, and now I'm gonna get hit by a motorcycle driver. Whoa, there's a bunch of star fruit. This tree is dropping star fruit. Whoa, cool. Nice. Oh, okay. I made it out. And there's a Babi Guling restaurant right there. That's so funny. I was looking forever. It's very close to my hotel. Oh my gosh. Looks like somebody ran over a snake. The snakes here in Bali are mostly very venomous. Alright, I got a little rest in, cooled down a little bit. I'm gonna go to the roof of the hotel and fly my drone and try to get some footage, so let's go do that. Gonna get some juice and a drink and relax a little bit before I have to work. That was fun. Hopefully I got some good footage. I guess we'll see. I've got pizza coming to my room and I've got to log on for work. So catch you tomorrow. Hi, I hope you enjoyed watching my day. I put out new videos every Friday, so please subscribe to my travel blog and come with me as I plan to visit every country in the world.